In recent years, there has been a surge of interest and speculation about whether Betelgeuse, one of the most famous stars in our night sky, could explode as a supernova and potentially cause an extinction-level event on Earth. This isn't just the stuff of science fiction. It's a question rooted in real astronomical observations and scientific research. Intriguingly, there's evidence to suggest that ancient supernova explosions might have already impacted life on Earth, possibly triggering significant extinction events hundreds of millions of years ago. If you follow space and astronomy news, you've probably heard Betelgeuse's name mentioned repeatedly. This is because Betelgeuse is an enormous red supergiant star located in the Orion constellation, and astronomers around the world are closely monitoring it due to its impending fate as one of the universe's most spectacular phenomena. A supernova explosion, Betelgeuse occupies a prominent spot in the constellation Orion, representing the hunter's right shoulder. It's a red supergiant star, which means it's gargantuan, so large that if it were placed where our Sun is, its outer surface would stretch well beyond the orbit of Mars. This star is also highly unstable and is in the last stages of its stellar life, currently burning through the final reserves of its nuclear fuel. Because of this, Betelgeuse is expected to explode in a supernova event sometime soon in cosmic terms. Soon, meaning anywhere from the next few years to perhaps 100,000 years from now. When it finally does explode, it will unleash one of the most powerful and luminous displays ever witnessed, possibly bright enough to be visible during daylight here on Earth. The prospect of such a massive explosion raises an important and urgent question. What would happen if Betelgeuse went supernova? Could this event pose a threat to life on our planet? To explore this, it's essential to understand what actually happens during a supernova. When a star as massive as Betelgeuse exhausts its fuel, its core collapses under its own immense gravity, causing a violent explosion that releases an enormous amount of energy. This explosion ejects radiation, neutrinos, and vast clouds of stellar debris into space. Supernovae play a critical role in the universe by distributing heavy elements such as iron, uranium, and gold, elements that are fundamental building blocks of planets and even living organisms. In fact, the atoms in our bodies were once forged in the fiery hearts of ancient stars that ended their lives in supernova explosions billions of years ago. However, these cosmic fireworks carry risks, especially if they occur too close to Earth. If a supernova were to happen within roughly 65 light years, the intense burst of high-energy radiation could severely damage or even destroy our planet's protective ozone layer. This layer is crucial for absorbing the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, shielding all living things on Earth from its damaging effects. Without this protection, Earth would be exposed to powerful UV rays that could cause massive damage to ecosystems, including widespread extinction events. The effects of such radiation could destabilize food chains, cause genetic mutations, and lead to environmental catastrophes such as acid rain that could persist for years, further harming life. Have supernovae actually played a role in Earth's past extinctions? Recent studies led by astrophysicist Alexis Quintana at Keele University offer compelling evidence that they might have. Quintana's team surveyed thousands of stars within a radius of about 3,260 light-years from Earth, estimating how frequently nearby supernovae capable of threatening life on our planet occur. Their results suggest that approximately 2.5 potentially dangerous supernovae happen near Earth every billion years. Fascinatingly, this timeline correlates closely with two significant extinction events in Earth's history. The Devonian extinction, about 372 million years ago, and the Ordovician extinction, roughly 445 million years ago. Both events show signs that the ozone layer was severely depleted, which until now was a mystery to scientists. The intense radiation from nearby supernovae, might explain these environmental changes and their devastating effects on life. Given these facts, it's natural to wonder if we should be worried about Betelgeuse's eventual explosion. The reassuring news is that the star is currently located more than 500 light-years away from Earth, which is a safe distance to prevent any harmful radiation from affecting our planet. Another nearby red supergiant, Antares, is also far enough away not to pose a threat. This means that when Betelgeuse finally explodes, it will be a stunning celestial spectacle, a bright, brilliant light in the sky that will captivate astronomers and stargazers alike. But it won't cause mass extinction or serious harm here on Earth. Interestingly, supernovae have also been crucial to the very existence of life on our planet. Scientists believe that a nearby supernova billions of years ago might have played an essential role in triggering the formation of our solar system. The explosion would have scattered heavy elements throughout the region of space that eventually coalesced into the Sun, planets, and all the material that makes up Earth. These elements are the raw materials from which planets and life are formed. Moreover, while mass extinctions caused by cosmic phenomena may sound terrifying, they often pave the way for new evolutionary paths. For example, the Ordovician extinction cleared ecological niches, allowing new species to emerge and diversify. Similarly, the asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs created the conditions for mammals, and eventually humans, to thrive. In this way, supernovae and other cosmic events can be seen not only as destructive forces, but also as powerful catalysts for creation and renewal in the universe. Our fascination with these cosmic catastrophes might come from how they remind us of the delicate balance of life on our small planet and the vast, mysterious universe we live in. From the violent death of Betelgeuse to the invisible waves of radiation traveling through the depths of space, many of the forces that influence life on Earth originate far beyond our atmosphere. Studying and understanding these forces help us appreciate the intricate connections between the cosmos and our existence. It also highlights the importance of continuously monitoring the stars, as they can hold the keys to both our past and our future. Whether the next supernova brings devastation or a fresh start, one thing is certain. The universe is in constant motion, and with that motion comes change. Sometimes dramatic, sometimes subtle, but always profound.